Welcome to Automation Expo 2025. This is the 18th edition that is taking place from the 11th to the 14th of August here at the Bombay Exhibition Center in halls 2, 3 and hall number 6. This is our edition that has got 3 halls for the first time with 3 different zones and held over an area of more than 30,000 square meters plus. And the first time we're talking about sustainability, we are talking about a back to basics workshop. It's been power packed 4 days, and as you see, the exhibition is buzzing with new technologies, AI, robotics, machine vision, and we also have the startup zone. We see so many new technologies, and the visitors, the kind of interactions, the dialogues that is taking place within the stalls, it's very interesting, and we are very excited to see what's happening in this area of digitalization and automation. So since 2002, we see so many new technologies, and I'm glad that we are a part of that platform that brings in the users as well as the manufacturers together, how to upgrade, how to network and upscale. So that's what automation is about, connecting the people and connecting the people for the growth of technology and for growth of Indian industry. So this is also a tribute to my dad, the founder, Dr. M. Arokya Swami. So this 18th edition becomes a tribute to him, and I'm sure the visitors are happy, the exhibitors are happy, and we are excited, and we are looking forward to our 3rd edition of the Automation Expo South that will happen in Chennai from 12th to 14th of March, and followed by the Automation Expo 2026 that will take place in the same venue from 22nd to 25th of July. And we look forward to seeing all of you back again here. So this time we have nearing 700 stalls with more than 2,000 exhibiting companies who are from the field of process automation, factory automation, industrial automation. We see major displays happening in the field of robotics, machine vision, AI technologies that's being used. A lot of this year our focus was on use of automation for sustainability. So we see so many new sustainable solutions at the booths here. Major displays in hall number 6, in hall number 2 and 3, and we also have seen so many applications of AI. We really don't have a separate section for AI, but each and every company has used AI in their products, and we're really excited to see the new startups coming up with new projects. Also the India Automation Challenge, wherein we have the students from the colleges who have come up with projects. So really this is a place for seeing new technologies, for exchange, for interchange, and that is what we are excited.
Hi, I am Sandeep Jain. I am from Nilambo Technologies Private Limited. Our company is working in the hydro segment and the thermal segment, and our main business is coming from service station automation. But now we are entering in the thermal business. Basically, it's the industry business. We are going with our solutions, and my background is basically I have worked in the different companies for last 35 years, and it's initially I was in a turbine company. Now we have a lot of solutions like power system study is there. Then we have the digital excitation system also we have developed. We are the channel partner of Schneider, and that's it. Yeah, we have participated in Automation Expo this time, and we found it's a very huge. A lot of companies are there, and I think the arrangement is good, and the exhibition is going well. I think first day was a little bit slow, but now we have a very good footfall for last 2 days, and I think tomorrow also we should expect a lot of customers.
Hello, I'm Akanksha Shah, and I'm part of Mega Switchgears company, and we have a sub-brand called Medge, and it was founded by my father-in-law, Mr. KB Thakkar, and it's now run by my husband, Parth Thakkar, and me, and we manufacture control panels, and we do industrial automation. We manufacture instruments, and we sell IoT gateways as well. And the experience in this exhibition has been so good so far. The ambience and everything is good. The response is really nice. All the relevant people are coming over here. That's the best part. And there are also nice services, and the scan service ensures that people are well registered before they are coming to us. And we are really enjoying exhibiting over here. Thank you.